All right, this says this is recording, so we're cooking today, boys and girls. We're cooking spam, because why the hell not? I can do. Anyways, am I gonna explain all this? Probably. If you got a stove, I would turn it to like medium, or if it has numbers on it, just do there. Now, what you're gonna want to do: grab a knife. Now, don't use to kill people. That's not if you're not a murderer. And if you are a murderer, don't. I mean, like, at least get their consent first. You know, if you're gonna kill someone, get their consent. Like, cannibalism. Shit, I'm cutting this back. I'm gonna start to say, you get to look at the void, or if I just transition this in the edit, then riveting content. Maybe I should cut this before I hit the record button. That'll work. Alright. Now, what I always do is I cut it into slices. That way it cooks better. At least to me. I don't care. What do we do from here? Well, how about we just grab a spatula, because why the hell not? I wish I got that on camera. That was actually kind of cool. What? I need to stop. I need to get life. So, what do you do from here? I know what you're thinking. Yeah, that is what you're thinking. Shit. What are you thinking? What do you think we do from here, bitch? That's me. I'm sorry. Just grab like 2 slices of spam, maybe 3 if you feel like, I don't know, daring or something, or just feel like an idiot. Yeah. Anyways, now we gotta let that cook. But what am I gonna do to make this entertaining? Shit, what am I gonna do? I have an idea. Hold on. I'm just gonna leave that for a minute. Don't leave the stove. Like, if you're cooking something, never leave the stove. You get to have a small glimpse in what the heck my basement is as I grab another drink that I have. I mean, I may not be sponsored, but shit, this is pretty good. Not gonna lie. You get to see my feet, except I'm wearing socks, so you don't get to see my feet. Unless you like feet. I'm gonna stop talking. That's getting weird. I'm not gonna try and point that out, but if you hear something, it sounded like a toot just now, just know it probably was. Yeah, it was. I'm not. Shut up. No, you can hear it. You can hear it sizzling. What the hell does that sound? Yeah, it's what I'm saying. I thought, hang on, are the garbage people here? They shouldn't be. It's Wednesday. Now, how long do you cook it on there? Either until you like flip it over and it looks really good, like golden. So not that, unless you want that. Ooh. Or until it's burning. Another good time to flip it over is when it catches on fire. That might be going a bit too far. I don't know. Can you eat this raw? Pretty sure that's a yes. Don't quote me on it if you die. Or get food poisoning from it because you ate it raw. I may not be smart all the time, but I know how to cook things sometimes. I'm running out of words. You see, when it starts sizzling, that's when the interesting part starts to happen. Kind of. Trying. You get to watch me struggle as I. It's not like my. Oh. Hang on, I'm gonna. Can I? A thought just hit me, and I don't know how I'm gonna record this. As I try to open it with my bicep and forearm. Hold on, I have an idea. How can I flip the camera around? I am going to not be in the camera as I flip it around. As I try to flip it around. It's starting to sizzle a lot. Screw it, we're going back to... Ignore the thing on my thumb. I don't know what it is, but... Screw it. If you notice that it's sticking to the pan a bit, that's sometimes a good sign. That means it's cooking good, I guess. Yeah, getting a little better. This third one, we will let this first one... Did somebody just pull up to my house? No? Okay. This kitchen is a mess. What? Good lord. This kitchen is a mess. Cheerios. Am I sponsored? No. I don't get sponsors. I don't get paid. I don't got a job. I don't got a job or a credit card or anything. I just got 17 bucks left over from when I went to a movie with some friends. It was the Mario movie, and it was actually a really good movie. Shit. You know, I'm just gonna... Can I? You know, this works. Alright, that works. That worked. That worked. Fantastic. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it. Until now. Until now. Until... Perfect. Bottoms up, baby. Ugh. Good shit. Oh, God. Would I recommend it? Yeah, it's pretty good. Would I recommend Spam? Absolutely. I like it. If you want to hear it make that like a sizzling sound, just press down on it a bit. You have an idea. Yeah. Get off. Yeah. Golden. Oh, no, that's what we're looking for. That's the ticket, baby. Now, if done correctly and it was on there long enough, then... Good enough. I'm not going to make a comment on that burp. That was just a burp. That stuff is basically like carbonated drink. I don't know what you want from me. But this is where it gets good shit. I have an idea. Just, shit, that went south so fast. Oh my god. Okay, we're not gonna do my idea. I don't have two hands. Two extra hands. Free. Yeah. I have just one hand. I'm a one-hand man with a camera in my other hand. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. How am I gripping the frying pan's handle as I continue to cook it and hold the pan freaking still? Yes. Riveting content. Ooh. If I have like one piece of Spam left in here before I put it on the plate, I will probably try to flip it. No promises. No promises if I do it and fail. But hey, it might be funny. Is this foreshadowing? Maybe. Hang on. Like... That'll do. Let me swap one out. Put the next one on. I'm going to cook 3 at a time for all of them. Absolutely not. Now, what are some things you can do with these? Well, simple. You can put them on a sandwich. You can cook anything with them, really. It's Spam. Be creative. Those will not take long to cook. No, I'll keep it simple. I'll keep it simple. Will I set the phone down for a second? Probably. Riveting content! Riveting content! I don't know what I'm doing. I should really get a job. Nah, screw getting a job. I got things I gotta make, you know? Okay, so it's just now occurring to me that I'm an idiot and I don't know what I'm doing. So, hang on. Why does that even remotely work? I'm going to put down the phone like that for a second so you can try and see. Will I be showing each slice of Spam as I flip it over? Eventually. It looks pretty good. You can see glimpses of it? Yeah, I guess, probably. I don't know. I can't see my phone right now, so I cannot tell you for sure if you do. But you get to hear it, and that's good enough for me. Okay. Oh shit, it's hot. I've been filming cooking Spam for 12 minutes and 35 seconds. For 12 minutes and 40 seconds. I'll let that cook. Ow! I don't know why this handle is hurting me. It is. I'm not allergic to it. It's a handle. Anyways. If you have a skillet, like a cast iron skillet, not only am I envy of you a bit, but you can use that to cook Spam. Probably a lot more efficient too. I have like 2 slices left. I'm going to try adding them in. Okay. Ow! Yeah. Okay, those 2 slices are added in. So take the cooked ones, add them to your plate. Actually, here, let me put this over. Perfect. Yeah. Come on. Shit. Delicious piece of shit. Do you think it'll get demonetized? I keep hearing things coming out from the windows. From outside. Will I tell you what time it is? If I feel like it. The time zones are strange. You're not going to figure out my exact location. You're going to figure out my exact time zone. Because why would I be cooking this and filming it at 2:32 in the morning or so? there's like a bit of gelatin there. It's fucking screw it. I don't care. We're back to the content, lads! I don't know what I'm doing. Stop asking me questions. Do I draw? Yeah. Do I have any of the stuff that... What the hell is that here? Hair? That's a hair. Hang on a minute. You can't cook with a spatula that has a piece of hair on it. That's not sanitary. Am I going to take the piece of hair off and then continue to cook with it? Absolutely. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I'm dumbass. Ooh, that's a good piece of spam. That's a good cooked piece of spam, lads. I need to shut up. Woo! That's good. Is that like... Okay, I'm just imagining things, and cars keep driving by, so I keep thinking it's one of my parents. Either my mom or stepfather. Both of them are very good to me. That's not important. What's important is that we cook spam. Ugh. Is my oven behind a bit? Maybe, like a few minutes. I don't know. I mean, my phone says 3:34 and it's 2:33. Shit, I meant 2:34. I'm an idiot. Doesn't matter. Time zones, sleep. What's sleep again? I forgot. It's when you go unconscious, ghost boy. I don't care. There's a rhetorical question and I don't want answers. I can just Google it. If I give a shit. And there you go. Make sure to turn off the stove. Throw your dirty, not burning hot dishes into the sink. Let that cool off, because it's going to be burning your ass if you touch it. And also the sink. And everything in the sink. If you grab a fork, maybe a knife if you want. But there you go. Spam. It's cooked. It's pretty damn delicious. Not going to lie. I may have addictions. Anyways, thanks for watching, I guess. You can do whatever now. I'm going to eat this. Then I'll come back for that.